Let me create a class father, and declare a string variable father name and assign it with empty string. I will also create a function display father name, which is going to return the father name variable as output. I'll create a constructor which accepts a father name string variable, and inside the constructor I assign the father name value to the father name property of the class father. Similarly, I'm going to create another class with name mother and declare a mother name string variable. I also create a display mother name function, which is going to return the mother name. I create a constructor which accepts mother name as an input parameter and assigns the value to the mother name property of the class mother. Now I try creating a child class which extends the class father. Now the compiler has no problem, but when I try to extend father and mother base classes, now the compiler says classes can only extend a single class. In order to get over this error, I create a interface at line number 21. I name the interface as iFather. I also declare a property father name which is of string data type. I also declare one more method in the interface iFather with name display father name, which is going to return string value. I also create interface iMother, which is going to have mother name property with the string data type and display mother name function declaration, which is going to return again as string value. I now try implementing the iFather and iMother interface into the child class. At line number 31, I say class child implements iFather, iMother. I also try implementing iFather and iMother interface. In the display mother name function, I remove the method not implemented throw exception and replace it with return this dot mother name. Similarly, I make the changes to display father name function definition. At line number 43, I create an object for child class. I assign the father name property as John, mother name property as Jessica. I declare one more string variable child name at line number 40, and I also create one more method called a display child name, which is going to return the child name. At line number 50, I say c dot child name equal to Andrew. Now I write the code to display the father name, mother name, and the child name in the console. When I run the program, the output I expect is father is John, mother is Jessica, and child is Andrew. I go to the terminal and compile the code by saying tsc space interface demo.ts, and when I run the program by saying node space interface demo, I see the intended output.